Here's a J.C. Penney clock radio, and I date this from, I don't know, late 80s, early 90s. It's a dual alarm, and it has multi-band on it. Alarm selector. Has two alarms. Here's the tuning dial. That. It's a model number 680-3897, catalog number 850-2585. So that may mean 1985, maybe, and it still has its little piece of paper in here where the battery backup is. But this was given to my mom by one of her colleagues. He said he gave it to my mom to give to me, but he said he bought it when he first started working. So yeah, I would date this definitely from the late 80s. But I very much appreciate the gift. It has an earphone jack on the side here. Here's the plug. So how this works, so you turn that, it says buzzer right here, so I don't know, is that the buzzer? This thing's gonna need some controls cleaned. This is on the TV too. There's nothing on here anymore.
Thousands of cops were injured. Where's Liz Cheney's interest in that part?
My station. Let's spray the volume controls. Okay, so I got this opened up. I'll give it to him. This thing's easy to open. Here's the board. I don't think I mentioned this before. It's made in Hong Kong. The construction's actually pretty good. Here's the clock display. Let's get some deoxit in these controls. I don't think they really intended on you fixing this beyond. I think that box is all sealed. Here it is all back together. Has the weather position right here.
It's Pennsauken, and right there is where you go in a tributary to the Withlacoochee River. Great memories with my dad, fishing, camping up there.
He was a fantastic player, All-American at Florida.
Here's my station again.
And then the carpool.
Okay, the camera's out of time, so there you go.